How to trim a video clip in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap on the video clip you want to trim into timeline to select it. You will see trimming handles on both ends of the clip. Drag the left handle to trim the beginning or the right handle to trim the end of the clip. For more precise trimming, tap the trim or speed button from the menu. Move the playhead slider and select either the trim left or trim right option. You can preview your trimmed clip by playing it in the editor. When you are happy with the result, continue editing or tap the export button to save your trimmed video. Now you know how to easily trim a video clip in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.